Same stuff. Full-fledged kitchen, flashig milchig.
Yeah.
Coffee. Oh, look at this. We're having a kiddush tonight, bro.
We try always to stock for kinderlich especially. In each of our hospitality rooms in the hospitals and each of our apartments, for kinderlich we always try to have bazundere Sachen farzeh.
Yeah.
You know,
What about this kinderlich?
Well, yeah, they just agree 100%.
The kinderlich. He said this is the kinderlich. I'm sorry. Today I'm like, I feel like I'm eating at a restaurant called Chesed 24/7.
So this is a women's apartment. So we have women's, cosmetics and things of that nature, waiting for them on, as they arrive.
Women. So what do you mean? Couples don't go
So
together.
yeah, so this is couples and women. The upstairs is for men, and we.
Was das von men? Aber Bucher kommt allein, was
Ja,
von der Seite?
aber ein Mann kommt allein, eine Frau kommt allein. So yichud, we keep it separate.
I think it's time we get
Yeah,
a break.
we get it. Okay.
I think it's finally time we have a break.
Okay.